This is a fire song. This is a live police report from the scene of an arson. Dispatch, please send backup. There is a woman in the flames and she is not burning. This is an advertisement on the television with women wearing precious little exploding across the screen because there is no better way to sell a product than with the skin of a woman's breast. Our objectification will earn you millions. This is a child discovering that she is not the same as the boys in her class, sat down by her mother and taught the inferiority of her anatomy, taught how to please a man but never how to please herself, taught her role as a receptacle. This is society telling us that the very worst insults in bed. This is girls growing up being told that the worst thing they can be is a slut, that even as boys brag about their bitches, sex for them is the kiss of death because female sexuality is something to be ashamed of unless it is under the control of a man. This is a price tag hanging around our necks, weighing us down like Jacob Marley's chain. Special discount this century, only 70 cents to every dollar she is worth. This is a blog post from an angry feminist with internet access. This is Green Lantern's girlfriend stuffed in the fridge. This is the first reaction to Laura Palmer's body. She was so beautiful. This is women in fiction and in reality being reduced to what we are worth to men's eyes and men's heart, because why would we desire any agency of our own? This is a suicide note written in blood on a fireproof page to make sure our message comes across loud and clear, because we would rather burn ourselves alive than live under your patriarchy. Haven't you heard? Boys are open flames, but dynamite girls burn brighter. This is a fire song, and we are here to set the world alight. And the women from the commercial are torching the studio, and the flames are reflected in the sweat on their skin. And the child has found the matches in the kitchen drawer and is learning to use them to create and to destroy. She will grow up a daughter of fire, and she will burn too bright to be contained. Do not try to tell her that her worth is determined by what she means to a man. Do not tell her that she deserves 70 cents to every dollar a man does. Do not tell her that what she has between her legs makes her inferior to the boys who will try to reduce her to nothing but a nice ass and a pair of tits. Do not try to extinguish her. She is a goddess. She cannot be tamed. This is a fire song. Touch her and you'll burn.